Hi, I'm Stephen Cook with Cook Saw Manufacturing. We have a demo mill here that we wanted to introduce and put onto YouTube and share with you. The advantage of this demo mill, it's got about 125 hours on it. It has a full 1-year warranty that comes with it. If you're in a hurry for a sawmill, a lot of time we don't have a spare or many used ones that ever come back. This is one that we have here that we're willing to sell for $46,950. This mill standard would be in the $52,000 range. It has the debarker option, and it's on it. It also has a computer Setworks that's on it. Again, this mill is in great shape, and it has all the standard features. I'll run them here in just a minute so you can see them. And if you're interested in a sawmill and getting one right away, not having to wait for the waiting period that's pretty common right now probably in the industry, but certainly with us, 3 months or so. If you want to get one right away, then here is a good option at a great price. So call Robert here at Cook Saw, and he'll be glad to help you out with this mill.